Okay, this problem is so wordy and it's frustrating. And when you look at it and you're like, I'm trying to understand the business side of this, you don't actually have to. Touchstone Manufacturing has developed a cost model, and this is it, where X is the number of sprockets sold. What's a sprocket? Don't worry about it. It doesn't matter what the vocabulary is that they're actually selling, but just go with it, okay? They're selling sprockets. So X is the number of sprockets sold in thousands. The sale price can be modeled by this, and the company's revenue is this. Write the expression that represents the company's profits. R of X minus C of X. What? Okay, this is like function operations on like steroids. Let's write this out. Let's use the purple pen, just because I want to. So I want to find R of X minus C of X. Okay, well, what's R? Well, let's kind of scan through here. Oh, R is X times S of X. Okay, I can do that. So it's X times, well, what's S of X? What's that one? 89.6 minus 4X. By the way, companies do this. They'll have an equation that models their profits. It really is the thing. Minus C of X, which is all this stuff. So 0.15X cubed. Oh, gonna subtract the whole thing. Plus 0.04X squared plus 2x plus 140, and we're going to just simplify this. And order of operations here, I know I would say like, oh, let's do parentheses first. There's nothing to do in the parentheses, but we will multiply before we ever start putting like terms together, right? So 89.4x minus 4x squared minus 0.15x cubed minus 0.04x squared minus 2x minus 140. We're now ready to put our like terms together. So that is the only cubic term. So that one's dealt with. Now we're going to deal with our quadratic terms, and we're going to have negative 4 minus 0.04, so that's negative 4.04 x squared. That takes care of this one and this one. All right, now we're going to have some linear terms. There's one, 89.4 and negative 2, so 87.4, 87.4x, and then this last guy right here, negative 140. And that is R of X minus C of X. We just had a little bit of like term combining to do after we multiply.